Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about whether Goodbudget can track income and expenses automatically. Goodbudget is a digital budgeting app built around the time-tested envelope system. But unlike many modern banking apps or automated finance trackers, it does not automatically sync with your bank accounts or credit cards to pull in transactions in real time. Instead, Goodbudget relies primarily on manual entry. When you make a purchase or receive a paycheck, you log the transaction directly into the app yourself. This hands-on approach is actually a deliberate design choice rather than a limitation. The founders built Goodbudget this way to encourage mindful spending, forcing users to actively confront where their money is going rather than passively scrolling through a feed of automated charges. However, Goodbudget does offer a middle ground for users who want to save time. You can import your bank statements manually by downloading a CSV, QFX, or OFX file from your online banking portal and uploading it into Goodbudget on the web version. This allows you to bulk add transactions rather than typing every single receipt in one by one. To break it down, here's how tracking works in Goodbudget. Bank syncing, not supported. Automatic live feeds from financial institutions are unavailable. Manual entry, fully supported and encouraged for daily tracking across multiple devices. Statement uploads, supported via desktop import using downloaded bank files. If your primary goal is a completely hands-off experience where every swipe is categorized automatically without your input, Goodbudget might not fit your workflow. But if you prefer intentional budgeting where manual tracking keeps you closely connected to your financial habits, its system is designed precisely for that. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.